you can buy your bus ticket. 10 euros, 24 hours. Now from here, from Sorrento, we are taking the bus to Positano. The town is down there, so the bus doesn't go all the way down there. And you can go to Amalfi by ferry. And in retrospect, we would have done two different things. Starting the day here in Napoli, in the Napoli Garibaldi train station. Pretty busy, yeah. Taking the train, the Circumvenusiano to Sorrento to start the Amalfi Coast, and costs 4 euros and 60 cents. Nikki, so we are here at Sorrento. That's your first stop for the Amalfi Coast. The Amalfi Coast is on the other side of the peninsula. We came from Naples with the train, the Circumvenusiano train. Cost 4 euros and 60 cents. You get out of the station, right over there, the little store. You can buy your bus ticket. 10 euros, 24 hours. You can go from Sorrento all the way to Salerno, stopping all the different places, Positano, Amalfi, and all the little villages around the Amalfi Coast. So very easy, just cash. They don't accept cards, 10 euros, 24 hours. The bus comes every 30 minutes. And so super easy. And you can get also some information about the Sorrento right here. Just across the street from the Sorrento station, you already have the bus stop, and there's a lot of people over there to catch the bus to go to the other side of the peninsula. So just keep that in mind. Oh, sorry. Perdona. Now from here, from Sorrento, we are taking the bus to Positano with our 10 euro 24 hours ticket.
They're all like in the same basilica.
Yeah. So we just got off of the bus here in Positano. The town is down there, so the bus doesn't go all the way down there. The bus stops here, so now you just walk down and enjoy Positano. Take a look at this view. Positano, amazing. And Amalfi is that way there, your next stop. The famous cathedral right there. So we are at the beating heart of Positano, right at the middle, the beach. It's November 2nd today, I think. So it's still pretty warm, which is weird. And yeah, and a lot of people, a lot of things going on.
Lots of people. It is a Saturday.
It's a Saturday, that's true. But it's still for beginning of November. I thought it would be a little bit calmer. We are not doing that today, but in theory you can visit the islands with ferries and everything, and you can go to Amalfi by ferry instead of bus. So you could see the coast from the boat. Would be nice. Super pretty.
Tem uma canal.
Ele tem um Instagram?
Não sei se ela é. Meu, meu. Mas essa parece como
Completely ignoring me. Oh. Okay, so I just finished Positano here, and now we're going up to that bus stop to go to the Amalfi town, village, city. I don't know how they call it. Yeah. Struggling a little bit here. Gonna be stand up for 1 hour inside the bus from Amalfi to Salerno. It's pretty busy. So we are here in Salerno now. Finally arrived after almost 1 hour and a half standing up inside the bus.
on a very, very curvy road. So not good for people like me who have motion sickness.
Yeah, it was kind of a struggle from Amalfi, the village of Amalfi, to here to Salerno. And in retrospect, we would have done two different things.
For our entire
Yeah.
Amalfi Coast day trip.
Yeah, one, we should have woken up early.
Although we have a good excuse for that since we were up late working.
Yeah, we had to work until late, so
No other choice.
we need to sleep a little bit as well. And two, we would have taken the ferry from Positano to Amalfi, the village, because it's much faster than the bus.
Yeah, the buses take a very, very long time. Like I said, very curvy. There's a lot of traffic. A lot of them only one bus or car can pass at a time.
Yeah. So a bit of struggle, and the ferry also, you can see the coast from the ferry. It's kind of nice.
And the ferry would have only been 15 to 20 minutes. The bus took us 50.
Yeah. But now we're exploring Salerno. That's it. And it's pretty sweet. No?
Is it? È appena spoiler che ci mangiamo.
So that's it. We just arrived here in back to Naples. Day's over, so we took this bus. We bought one day before from Salerno to Naples for €3.50. So pretty good deal.
Good deal.
Yeah, and pretty comfortable, super fast, 1 hour internet and everything, the whole shebangs. So you calculate there how much it was the whole day for us. Train in the morning, €4.80. The bus, all you wanna do,
As many stops as you want along the Amalfi Coast.
yeah, that's what I want. My brain broke. €10, and then this bus now 350, so 18 euros the whole day.
Not bad for a day trip to the Amalfi Coast from Naples.
Yeah, pretty cool. The thing, what are the other options? So this was an express trip to Amalfi Coast, just to get a taste. We weren't exactly planning this trip, and then we ended up doing it. So nice. But what are your other options? One is to rent a car, and I'm gonna leave a link in the description with some an article I have with some websites where you can search and rent your car all over the world, and there are some pretty good deals. But there's a big problem with parking around the Amalfi Coast.
Yeah, it gets really busy.
Gets really busy. What do you say?
Oh, there's that.
Yeah, it gets really busy. Another one is renting scooters, motorcycles, and scooters. I saw a lot of stores that rent motorcycles and scooters.
If you're comfortable with the narrow, curvy roads and what have you, not for everyone.
But it's pretty cool, and then it's much easier to park everywhere, those scooters. Another one is to take a tour. Actually, I have here. This one here. Whoops. Sorry. To the Amalfi Coast, €75. Sorrento, Positano, Ravello. But €75 departing from Naples. But then you're a little bit freeze in that system with other people. You don't have much freedom to do whatever you want, what time you want.
We definitely prefer doing it on our own.
Yeah, independently, always prefer. And finally, just wait here. And then finally, you can do like a whole and this tour you can book here from these places, or you can use one of those 3 websites that I always suggest: Viator, Get Your Guide, and Civitatis. I'm gonna leave the links down here. These websites you can book tours and tickets from everything all over the world. It's amazing, and I leave the links in the description. Your last option is obviously book like a fancy tour, a whole package. You spend a few nights in the different places in the Amalfi Coast, and that's gonna cost you a lot of money, but maybe that's what you want. There's no problem at all. That's it. Now I'm very tired. Back to the supermarket, buy some food and cook in in our place and work a little bit, and then
Early flight tomorrow.
very early flight tomorrow. Have a good one.